Hey guys, so I just got these RISPA reading glasses and I wanted to take them out and show you what they look like and everything that comes with it. So it comes in this nice little black pouch. It's silk sort of, so you'll be able to kind of clean your glasses with that. But it also comes with this, which is, meant for cleaning the glasses. And so here are the glasses here. You gotta pop it open right here, and here we go. So that is what this comes with. And so these are plus 2.75s here. So I'm going to take it out of here and kind of show you guys. It's interesting because so these can clip on to existing glasses or however you want them. So let me put my glasses on here and then clip them on here. So then that's how it works. It goes on top of your kind of existing glasses. So as you can see here, it has this really easy clip on right here. So I could just clip it on and then now I have my double kind of magnification here. So these are good, and it comes with this little case too, which I like, and I like how easy it is to clip on and off of here. So that's how it works, and it's got the little padding there too if it touches you, but there you go, and then it's clipped on, and these are sweet, so I like them, and I'm gonna give them a thumbs up.